Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I bring you a 2003 Chevrolet Silverado pickup truck, black color black. I'm over here at Automart in Hanover, Massachusetts. This is going to be a full in-depth tour of the Silverado. Start it up, get an exhaust clip, show the engine, show some of the features on the interior of the Silverado as well as exterior. Everything you want to see. Well, without further ado, let's start it up and let it run. Let's see how many miles this thing has.
Media station.
86,125 miles. Well, let's start her up. Not very bad. See if the air is working. I guess this air is not working either. Oh well. We're gonna cut on the hazards. Cut the lights on. Pop the hood. Both windows are automatic. Now let's check out the exterior. Again, I apologize for any wind interference. Let's check out the engine. It's got the 5.3 liter V8 engine. Engine sounds very quiet. So this is originally a plow truck, but it doesn't have the plow on there. Plow must be in the shop somewhere. Alright, let's check out the interior. Get your four-wheel drive. Definitely the air conditioner doesn't work, but I'll show you the rest of the interior. Let's check out the radio.
Liquor store. This summer you can catch me on the big tour. I'm high grade. I think they need to quiz more. And let me get with you. Don't let the kid hit you. I'm the photo album for let them born. Like a shooting star.
Four-wheel drive control system. Plow truck. We'll cut it off for now. Let's do another walk around. You can always depend on your Chevrolet. It's a good sized exhaust clip. I'm not sure what it is. If anybody knows what that kind of exhaust it is, please let me know. The rear airbag, or passenger airbag. Well guys, I hope you all enjoyed this full in-depth tour of the 2003 Chevrolet Silverado pickup, color black. There's plenty more with its Cape.